Welcome. In this video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to share a story link from highlights on Instagram. Whether you want to share a memorable moment or a special event, this feature is super handy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, navigate to the profile that contains the story you want to share. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on their profile, look under their bio section. Now you'll need to find the story from the highlight. Highlights are those circular icons just above their posts. Tap on the highlight that contains the story you wish to share. This will open up all the stories saved in that highlight. Once you're viewing the highlight, look for the share icon. This icon typically looks like a paper airplane or an arrow pointing right. Tap on it, and a menu will pop up with various sharing options. From here, select Copy Link. This action will copy the link to your clipboard, making it easy for you to share it anywhere. Finally, you can share the link wherever you want. Whether it's through a text message, an email, or another social media platform, just paste the link and send it off. Anyone who receives this link will be able to view the highlight directly on Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully shared a story link from highlights on Instagram. It's a simple process that allows you to keep your friends and followers updated with your favorite moments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Thanks for watching.